Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today I'm going to be packing for a trip, so I'm going to bring you guys along and show you the thought process that goes behind packing for a cigar vacation. Let's open this humidor up and see what we take. So I'm going to be needing around 12 cigars. I'm going away for 12 days and I calculate one per day. There's a few days I'm not going to be smoking, so around one a day. We'll start off with the singles, which is what I usually do. And from here, I'm going to be definitely needing to take one Juan Lopez. This is a Selección number 2. This is one for a trip. You have to have on every trip an Epicure number 2. These are a must. Morning cigar. 2. Next, I'm going to be taking a Bolivar Belicoso Finos. This is something that is a fan favorite of mine, and I can't wait to enjoy it. Next, I'm going to be taking one Cohiba Robusto. This is going to be a special one. And lastly, from here, I'm going to be taking this Trinidad. This is the not the Reyes. This is the Media Luna. Let's switch that. And I'm going to be taking my last punch. This is a Punch Triunfos and a Ramon Alones Small Club Corona. These are from the tray of singles. Now I'm going to be putting this back now and showing you which other cigars I'm going to be taking from boxes. Next I will be taking one of these Trinidad Reyes. These have been such a good smoke. I really like them. This. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cigars. We still need to take another 4 more. So let me show you what else we're taking. I'm going to be taking one of these Monte Cristo number 5s. This one has been in my humidor for quite a while. Take one of these. Next one we're going to be taking is a Quai d'Orsay. This is a Quai d'Orsay number 50. That's 10. And let's see what else we could take. I'm definitely going to be taking Quintero. These are when you want to have a smoke. And finally, I'm going to be taking an Aristocrat. So this is the setup at the moment, and these are the cigars I'm going to be taking with me on a trip. I forgot to mention, but I did add the Ramon Alones specially selected from 2019 to the lineup, and also the best short smoke in the market. This is the Age Up and Half Corona. So these are all the cigars I'm going to be taking with. I'm going to put them in this box I have, which is air sealed, airtight. That way we have no problem with the humidity. And honestly, I'm going to be taking one of these or two of these little boost slash Boveda bags, putting them inside and then putting the cigars on top, and that should be plentiful for the rest of the trip. I'm going to try and put them in the best as possible so there's not a lot of movement. Obviously I carry these hand luggage. I would never ever send these underneath. If you really want to damage your cigars, send them under in a suitcase. These absolutely can never ever go in a suitcase. They have to stay with me at all times. A, for that they don't get lost, and B, also so that I can carry them in the best way possible without them getting damaged. I hope that where I go, which you guys will see in the next video, they're gonna have cigars. I doubt it, but you can never know. So I'm keeping the faith. I'm going to be putting some accessories over here so that nothing gets damaged and has too much room for movement. And then I take this, and I'm going only for 12 days, so these should be plenty cigars, and the humidity pack should last for the rest of the cigars. One last thing I forgot to mention: whenever I travel, I have my little travel pouch that inside has all of my accessories, so my cutters, my lighters, my punchers, my perfect draw matches, all types of different accessories, so that I'm never lost, I'm never stuck, and I never forget anything. They're all in the pouch together, and they just go to so that they don't get lost. And like I mentioned, never ever put cigars underneath, always put them in hand luggage. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.